to you from the Galleria Conference and Events venue in Johannesburg, South Africa. A global concert of social cohesion, celebrated through the universal language that connects us all: music. Tonight, join Grammy Award-winning and internationally acclaimed performers and musicians from all over the world as they come together in support of the ongoing sustainability and growth of 18 Education Africa Marimba hubs across South Africa. Located in disadvantaged schools and community centres, these hubs provide educator training and safe creative spaces for learners. Join this global community, standing united, together as one, assisting Education Africa and making real change happen. We invite you to be part of this international movement as we proudly say, Simunye, we are one. Welcome to Sounds of Celebration 8.